My stripes still?
Yep. The game hasn't changed in the last 5 minutes.
I can't reach that. Maybe if I come over here, I can. Or not.
You totally missed that ball.
Scratch.
And it scratched.
Oh. At least you can put it wherever you want.
Nothing!
Kinda. The orange one. Hit the orange one.
No, I can't hit the orange one.
Hit the red one.
No, I can't hit the red one because I'll get your stripe in.
Hit this one to hit that one to hit that one. Well, that was pretty good. Oh, thank you. I won't hit it anyway, but you know. Good gravy.
Oh my God, I can't believe
Yes.
you got that in.
I guess I hit it anyway.
Shocker.
Shocker. Oh, God damn it.
What'd you get in?
Yours?
Yay, me! Yes! Shit. I don't got a shot. Your turn.
Oh, God. I don't even know why I was trying to do that.
Oh, I can't believe you got that in.
Neither can I. I'm pretty. Okay. I concentrate.
Oh, you hit.
Hit more balls in this game than in any other game before. It's been your balls, but
Hey, that's okay. I'm not complaining. I only got one left.
just hit your balls in. Scratch.
No. Yes.
No. You lucky ducky. You.
I know. It's skill.
I don't have anywhere to go.
You got enough balls up there.
Thank you. Of course I would scratch. Oh,
I don't got no shot though. Because my ball's down there.
you can't hit that one?
Nope.
Hit it right here. And then it'll go like.
And you think I'm going to take advice from you?
Because I'm a pro.
Let me chalk you up.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
I don't know what I should try. These are this.
Short stick.
Short bus.
Oh! I got the short stick. You don't want the short stick.
Where's the big stick?
Right? There's the big stick.
I don't want short sticks. I want big sticks. Short sticks suck.
You don't seriously think like that at work, do you?
Yeah, we do. We talk worse at work than we do at home. We were talking about dick size tonight at work.
Back to my day.
Okay. 8-ball in for me.
Not happening.
Ooh, you made it.
I'm so
Are
excited.
you doing better on your second beer? Oh my God! Second beer and she starts playing better. Oh,
Keep going.
it's not gonna.
I don't know what happened there. It's a little streak.
Short stick. Oh! Did you see that? So close. So close. Okay, woman, you got 3 more balls.
Let's try to get them all in one turn. Oh, look at that. Baby. Oh no, it's position only. Like that? That just happened. It's your turn.
Yes. I'm recording.
I started.
I see.
Yeah, the sounds are open. He sees that.
Yes! I won!
Again?
I won!
You wanna play again?
Yep.
Of course you do.